Okay, so I'm going to talk about the Orcam My Reader. The Orcam is one of the very latest in OCR devices. It's actually made up of two parts. So the first part is the camera, which is mounted onto the arm of your glasses. So this little box here is actually the camera. And then there's an arm which reaches down, which actually sits right in front of your ear, and that's your bone conducting earphone. So that's where the sound comes through. And then there's a cable from that part on your glasses, which leads to the battery pack and the processing box. So just like with most OCR devices, use the camera to take a picture of the text you want read back to you, and then obviously it's processed and the audio is then produced. So you're getting printed text in an audio form. With the Orcam device, you can do this in two ways. You can capture the text in two ways. You can use the very simple buttons on the box to press the capture button. It takes the picture and away you go. Or you can actually do gesture control as well. So you can point at the text you want to have read. It recognizes where your finger is pointing. It then captures the text and reads it back to you. It's incredibly fast. So in an education setting, this is great for students that have an awful lot of printed material that they need to read through, and they just want to whiz through it. So it's almost instant OCR, which is something we haven't really seen before in an OCR device. And it means that if they, as I say, if they have lots of pages that they just want to sit with, so let's say a book that they want to read several pages of, they can have that in front of them quite comfortably, turn a page, point, it's read to them, point at the next page, it's read to them, turn the next page, point, it's read to them. It's ever so fast. So like I say, if you've got a student that needs to do an awful lot of reading from printed material, the Orcam device is great and possibly one to consider.